Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. I'm with you with the 8th episode of the Psychology of Candles video series. I want to talk to you about an important candlestick pattern. Be sure to stay with me until the end of the video. Let's go! Well, as you know, so far 7 episodes of the Candle Psychology video series have been posted on the channel, and important patterns for trading have been introduced in these videos. Be sure to watch the previous episodes and have enough practice and trading on the patterns. Today, I'm with you by introducing an attractive and profitable candlestick pattern. Be sure to watch the video carefully until the end. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and send it to your friends. The links to register in this platform in the description section below all the videos. Click on the link, get a demo account of $10,000 and start practicing and trading. Alright, let's go to today's video. Well, the pattern that I want to talk about today in the videos and short videos of the channel, I have done a few trades with it so far, and some users ask me questions about this pattern. But what is this pattern? Today, I want to talk to you about the TRC pattern. The TRC pattern consists of 3 words, which means it is an abbreviation of 3 important words. These words are touch, reverse, and confirmation. But how should we use this pattern in charts and markets? What does touch mean? What does reverse mean? And where does the confirmation come from? The first rule of this pattern should be used in the direction of the trend. That is, in upward trends, on valleys and swings, and in downward trends, on peaks and swings. So, this pattern in the first law should be used in the direction of the trend. And this law is really important. If you look, our trend is a downward trend. We have a level, a downward trend. The first rule, the candle that is formed on the swing, that is, this candle, must touch the level. This candle must have a shadow and a wick from above, which means that if our candle was like this, we would not use it for this rule. If the returning candle touches the level on our swing, in the first stage, we say that the touch is down. But the second law is very important. The candle that touched the level must form a reversal pattern or be one of the reversal candles. For example, doji candle, a spinning top candle, hammer, and inverted hammer candle. The Marubozu candle sometimes has no shadow from above, so we do not use Marubozu in this rule. Either it should be from the reversal candles formed on the level, or it should create a reversal pattern with the previous candle. That is, patterns such as engulfing, inside bar pattern, or outside bar pattern. It should create a reversal pattern with the previous candle. So, the first rule. This first candle, the second candle, it must touch the level. The second rule, it must be a reversal candle or form a reversal pattern with the first candle. That is, the reverse happens. But the third rule, after the formation of the second candle under the mentioned conditions, the third candle, this is our third candle. It should make a new low or new high compared to the previous candle. That is, if the trend is downward and we have the first candle, the second candle should create a new low for us. And if the trend is upward and we have this pattern, the second candle should create a new high for us. And this means getting approval to enter the trade with this pattern, which is the third law, which means approval, which means confirmation. 1, 2, and 3. If you follow all these, this pattern has a win rate of up to 85%. Okay, now I'll try to find some examples and show you. Look here. The first candle, the second candle, the third candle. Our second candle touched our level and trend line. What pattern did it make? The inside bar pattern caused the price to return, and finally the third candle created a new low for us, so we can either sell or lower trade on the fourth candle. If you look, we almost have a downward trend here. We have a higher peak, a lower peak, and a level. Touch, a reversal candle, and we can enter sell trade here. The time frame of the candles in this pattern is on 1 minute, and the time of trade is on 1 minute too. Well, I will definitely do some trades with this pattern in live trading videos of the psychology of candles, so that you can learn the pattern well and understand how to use it correctly. This pattern is one of the very good patterns of the psychology of candles that can help a lot to trade and make profit in the market. Be sure to watch the other parts of the candle psychology videos carefully and practice the tips. I emphasize that working in the financial markets is not an easy task and requires practice, hard work, follow-up, and knowledge acquisition. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. The links to registering this platform are in the description section below all the videos. Click on the link, get a demo account of $10,000 and start practicing and trading. My friends, to live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Take care of yourself. Until the next video. Bye.